অনুভৱ কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? ভাল লাগিছে বহুত দিনীয়া হেঁপাহ সাংবাদিকে সোধা নিচিনা সুধিছোঁ এই বিষয়ে। মানে মুখৰ হাঁহিয়ে কয় মানে কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে, উত্তৰ নিদিলেও গম পাই যায়, হাঁহিয়ে প্ৰকাশ।
Finally, our baby is here. Baby girl.
एकदम मनाई निचिना
মানে জুনিয়ৰ
Mày được hí to.
We need to get him tam long pun itu
Em tao bóc chữ cổ Mày nhá lòng léo mà Mày nhá lòng cổ mình cái lòng
anh em chưa hấp luôn mà em cái đam gì ní
chưa hấp luôn Mình chỉ sẽ lên ăn hoa răng hoa chỉ pi lo Sắp số thử luôn luôn Ăn hoa răng hoa mà đã khăn ra luôn
Đi, mình chúng ta ong thành được mai nhớ nó sẽ đôi vào một cái baby ta để ở có chúng ta đinh ô có sạc có là chúng ta ong chè còn
hai bữa tháng
Hai. Một
hai bữa tháng
baby thách nóng còn là hai baby.
api hả hả bằng ai api cái chỉ li api tập bữa đó nàng giọt mốc tulia lah laki
Check luôn.
laki con hay apopo cái laki amami cái laki
Itu cilangan deh Yang second day
Thank you to all the doctors, nurses, and the staff of Silver Crest Hospital, Lakhimpur, for assisting us and helping us and making our delivery journey a successful one. After 4 days of staying in the hospital, finally we are taking our baby girl home and heading towards our home now.
cái đây là đi sửa.
Hello guys, thank you so much everyone, and we are truly blessed to have a baby girl. Nono bangke new lifestyle lo jo epanganta mani krengbom lo new lifestyle lo, and I wanted to thank everyone, those who have been following me throughout my pregnancy journey, sending me all their love, blessing, prayers and wishes. Thank you so much, and please do keep supporting and keep watching my videos. Send me your love and blessings to my baby girl, and I'm still under a recovery process, but I'm better now, and we'll keep updating about our life with you all, as you are also like part of my family, because you have been always supporting me and sending me all the good wishes. I'm really happy for that, even though we have not met face to face in reality, but you have been like a family, sending all your wishes. So thank you so much everyone. I'm grateful to you all, and yeah, this is our new life. So keep watching my videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.